Yeah, so hi guys, hope you're doing good. I'm Rahul and welcome to IT Jobs and Gate Updates. So today we are back with another update which is coming from Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs is providing an internship opportunity for students who are currently in the second year, third year, or fourth year. So if you're currently in the first year pursuing your BSc, BTech or BCA. So if you're in your first year, you're not eligible for this. You have to be at least in your second year to be part of this internship program. So this internship program is about to be conducted in the coming year 2022, and it will eventually start from March and April. So it is summer internship program, and the registrations have started just now. You may get in touch with your training and placement cell with more updates. So even if Goldman Sachs doesn't visit your college for these opportunities, you're still going to be part of this program, and you may get shortlisted for this based on your total resume. So let's dig more and discuss about this internship opportunity. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just head on and click the red button, and also press the bell icon to get more updates about recent job updates, learning courses, and I'll be soon adding videos to how you can prepare for GATE, how you can prepare for some PSUs and other jobs. And let's move ahead and discuss more about this Goldman Sachs opportunity. Right. So as we head on to the link which I have provided in the description, the new tab will open up, and this will redirect you to the student program which is being hosted by Goldman Sachs. So as you can see, this is a summer analyst internship program and is designed to fully immerse you into day-to-day activities of one of your divisions. So firstly, if you talk about eligibility criteria, this is summer analyst role is for candidates who are pursuing their college degree. It could be BSc, BCA or BTech, and are in your currently second year of your study. So if it's a 3-year program, you should be in a second year. It's a 4-year, it should be in a second year. And the first year students and MTech students are not eligible for this. Let me remind you that. If we talk about the time period or program type, it would be an 8 to 10 weeks of program. So you'll be onboarded onto the team and along with all other interns, and you'll be added to some projects based on your technology specification or your interest, or completely totally depends on them. And the location would be Bengaluru, but as of now, due to COVID situations, it would be remotely at home. So I have previously interned at few companies, and the onboarding process and the projects were all done at home, so you don't need to worry about that. And if we talk about the deadline of this program, it would end within a couple of weeks. So get in touch with your college. So it would be an added bonus if Goldman Sachs visits your college, and if it doesn't, still you can apply for this, and based on your resume they will shortlist for this program. And if we talk about the overview of this program, the student should be able to attend orientation, which will learn more about the benefits and responsibility of being a member of the firm. So there will be induction program, and they will give a brief idea about how it is like to be a part of a Goldman Sachs team, and receive specific training. So based on the technology requirement or project that you have been offered, you'll be going to a brief training, and after that you'll be deployed to some minor projects, and it will be a great opportunity to learn. And the date of the summer internship has not been confirmed yet, but it is going to majorly start between March to April to May. So it may vary. I'm not pretty sure about it as of now. And yeah, that would be all. And if you click on the apply link, so it will take some time to reload. So I'm giving it some load time. So yeah, there was a brief introduction about the vacancy. So it is a summer analyst or summer associate internship program, right? The summer associate internship is for candidates currently working towards an advanced degree such as MBA, JD, MD or LLM is usually undertaken during the second or penultimate year of study. This is a 10-week program with responsibilities to give you a sense of what you are doing today and blah blah blah. So it is not for you do not have to worry about this. Just head on and apply for this, and even if you have MBA, this is eligible for you. So that would be all about this opening, and share with your buddies so that it may reach as many people as possible. And all the best for this internship opportunity. At the end, I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel because it encourages us to produce more content and also helps us to improve. Also, our goal is to reach 1000 subscribers so as we can generate revenue, and every penny that we generate would be used to feed the stray animals, help the injured animals, and provide education to kids who are not able to afford it. So this not coming out of my personal benefits, and I'll be adding my description, social media description in the comments below, and you may follow and ask questions if you have related to this video or any other. So that would be all about it, and we'll see you in another video. And if you want me to make videos on GATE preparation and about my journey of GATE preparation, just let me know. I'll do this. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.